Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna do a little makeover on Zay's bedroom. This was supposed to take only a week or two, but it ended up taking like a month to do this room. I did these wood panelings halfway on the window wall because I wanted to do half white, half pink, the pink she chose, and I wanted to have some type of texture on the wall and some kind of accent design on her wall. So I chose to do this, and we had a bunch of leftover wood in the garage from the previous owner, so I had to take advantage and use it up. So this isn't the video of the exactly completed makeover of the bedroom, but this was the process of the bedroom. So do stay tuned to watch the reveal of this bedroom. It'll be coming out soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you could be notified when the reveal comes out for this bedroom, which I am hoping I finish in a week or two. And I know this room has been taking so long to finish, but I've had other projects around the house, and I've had work and just a bunch of things that have been getting in the way for me to finish this room. But I want to finish this room as soon as possible because I have so many other things I need to get done. And I've also been lazy, which is also why I haven't been able to finish this room. So we bought these at Home Depot like maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and I'm finally switching them out. Look at this. So cute, but very old and worn out, and it just doesn't go with this room because this room is going to be the guest room. So it just doesn't match. And then also gonna switch out the one in my daughter's room because I think it would look really nice with this here. And we probably should have bought one for our bedroom, but our bedroom is a light like this where it has a light and a fan, so I don't know about that one. But yeah, for now we're gonna switch out my daughter's room and the guest bedroom. Okay, so I just switched the guest bedroom one, and I had already switched my daughter's bedroom as well. It looks a lot better. I wish I painted the switch, but it's okay. It still looks nice. The only thing left to do in this room is to paint the rest of these walls, and then bring her furniture in, and also do another coat here. And I want to do something like this in the guest bedroom as well because I have a lot of wood still in the garage that I could still use. But in here, I kind of want to do it along this wall instead of against the window. But I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of debating what I should do first. So we'll see. by the way, I have an Instagram page and we're selling custom Starbucks cups. Here's one that I have. I have another one. I'll show you in a bit. But you can just check out our Instagram page to see what we have. So we're at it again. We're painting. She's asleep. She fell asleep there. I don't want to move her. I don't want to wake her. We have, there you go. Oh, I put it over there. We have one can left that I used, and I needed more, so I went to buy more, but they're not the exact same. This one is flat. The one I bought is matte, and it's $7.50. This one is $7.20, but it's still ultra pure white. And the worker at Home Depot said that it's basically the same, and it does look the same. So as long as it's white and it somewhat looks the same, that's all I care about. But so far, I've repainted these because these needed another coat of white. So I redid that. But now I'm on this wall, and it's killing me. It's very hot. So I got all of these left to do. And I might have to do another coat because if you could see on this wall that there's still some parts that like are not blended in correctly. So I might have to do it over again another time. But as long as I'm covering up all the walls, that's all I care about right now. Hey. So at first, I wasn't too sure about this pink. She chose that pink herself. Actually, she chose a different pink, but it was for Lowe's, and Home Depot didn't have the same shade, so I had her choose a different pink, and she chose this one, so this was her second choice. And at first, I didn't like it. Hey, at first I didn't like it, but now that I'm looking at it with the white and everything, I actually kind of like it. I think it's cute, and I'm so glad I added these wood trimmings because it just makes it so much better. But so far, this is what I've got done so far.
I want to see my life.
What?
I'm Barbie staying.
I'm not doing her closet. I'm definitely just gonna leave the closet as is. Just put all her clothes in there.
I'm gonna get a Barbie purse.
Yeah, and her closet's just staying as is. I'm not doing anything to that. So it's just the outside of her room. But
Mom, I like my room in the Atomics.
you like it? Do you like that pink that you chose?
We buy it at the store.
I know, but do you like it?
Is that the store last year?
But do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I want to hear. Yeah. Oh yeah, she broke this lamp, so I gotta fix that. Gotta get rid of this and get a new thing.
Yeah, I have to paint. That's why I have to paint my room, everything.
Yes, so I want to finish painting because it's been like 3
It's tomorrow to paint, and then it's today.
Okay. It's been like 3 weeks that we've been working on this room, and I've been lagging it very badly. So I want to hurry up and finish so I could put her rugs in, her bed, her toys, whatever she has in here. Her bed frame actually broke, so we're probably gonna get her a new bed frame, or I'll try to fix it. I want to put her bed frame there because there's a hook up there, and I have like a little tent thing, bed thing that I don't know what it's called, that falls around the bed. So I want her bed there.
And her bed there.
So we gotta figure out if I could fix that bed frame or if we have to buy a new one. I ordered a little cube organizer thing from Target that I'm gonna put here. I tried to find a little organizer boxes that go inside. I couldn't find any anywhere at Walmart or Target. They didn't have any. And then here I'll put her little TP tent thing. And if I could find a nice bench, I would like to put a bench here under her window. That way I could put her books and toys in her cube organizer. But all her other toys so far, yes, you are copying. All her other toys so far we put in this closet. We're gonna figure out how to organize this. She has more toys. It's in the boxes over there. But that's what we've put so far in there. So I want to hurry up and paint this so I can unpack all those boxes and get those boxes out of the way. She's copying everything I'm doing. So talking about it, I actually got it today. So I'm gonna build that when I'm done painting and stick it in eventually. So it's been a couple of weeks since we've done anything here.
So we just got this.
This is where we're at right now. And I bought some more paint stuff. I have one can and a half of a can left. And I bought some caulk so I can do all these and all of this right here so it could be a nice finished touch so you can't see any gaps or anything like that. So I'm about to do that right now, and then I would like to paint everything else. I might not have enough paint for the doors, but it's okay. That could stay like that for now. That way I could at least paint all the walls, get all her furniture and everything in, and the doors can wait until whenever. I might not even paint the doors, I don't know. But she broke this light. She tripped over the wire and it broke. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out a way to fix that. But yeah, we're gonna do this real fast. So I am doing it using my fingers to kind of spread it, but I don't know, it looks like the paint here when I spread it with my finger, that is like the paint is scrubbing off. So I'm definitely gonna repaint this, but I gotta repaint everything anyways, so it's okay. She's over there playing, being loud. So I ended up molding all the trimming down here because they were not molding, caulking all the trimming down here because they were not already. So I did those. I did the doors as well because they didn't have it either, both doors. And now I've finished doing these. I feel like another set of paint will make it look a lot nicer. And it looks kind of, I wish I would have put painter's tape so it didn't really get with the pink. But it's okay. So far away you can't really tell, right? I don't know.
my mommy. My mom is so cute.
But yeah, the walls look so much better now. You can't see the little.
Yeah,
You can't see the little gaps anymore. So I love it so much more. And I did down here too, because down here you could see as well. So I did here around this as well. I was gonna do here, but I don't know if I should. Should I? I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's all done. That's the only thing to do is finish painting. But so far, it's coming along, I guess. And I have most of her things in here that are for her bedroom, I've stuck them in here, her clothes, some of her furniture, but then some of the furniture are also in my dining room, taking up my dining room area, so I have to hurry up and do this so I could bring all that stuff in. But for now, that's the video, guys, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished result. So stay tuned, like this video, press the subscribe button so you can be notified when I post the actual reveal of her room, when I finish everything, when I have all her furniture in. So yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like.
Like.